What's up, YouTube? I'm Sharice with the Tech Couple, and as the shirt may have led you to conclude, today I'm gonna be talking about some sneakers, specifically the undefeated Ultra Boost Adidas collaboration that came out like a week or so ago. So yes, I know I'm a little late, but that's because I took a major L the day they dropped. Corey was able to cop his pair, and I didn't. You know, that's the gist of it. Little sizes go like that, and I missed out. But because Corey is a forward thinker, he said, I can get my hands on another pair of any size. Let me do that. And he did. So we took that pair, flipped it, and then took the money we made from that second pair to buy mine. That way I did not have to pay resale. I mean, I guess technically I did pay resale, but I sold a pair for resale, so like it canceled each other out. You feel me? So I'm gonna quit yammering because I have been wanting these shoes for months, and they are literally in a box in front of me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, dig into this box, and finally touch these shoes I've been coveting. So I clearly got them through GOAT. GOAT has actually been one of our recent go-to places to buy and sell sneakers. This is not a paid advertisement or endorsement from them. I don't even know if they care that I'm saying this right now, but GOAT is literally, in my opinion, the best sneaker marketplace. They verify all of the sneakers that come into them or sold through their platform. That way, you know when you're getting sneakers that you're not getting something fake, you're not paying for some off-brand, watered down, Chinese or wherever knockoff of the shoe that you wanted. You're actually getting the shoe. If you've ever bought sneakers online, you know that risk, and GOAT kind of guarantees you're not doing that. And because I'm me, I'm not tearing that open. I'm just gonna slide that right off. Okay, so immediately, Ultra Boost Undefeated in a 7.5. Yes, I got big little women feet. I'm not very tall, I have big feet. What can I say? All right, so yeah, I told you they authenticate all of their shoes. Authenticated in person by M. Okay, I can't, I just cannot. Y'all, are you serious with this? Oh my freaking goodness. Like, what? I'm sorry, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I have been waiting for these shoes for months. I think Corey first showed me them online like 8-9 months ago. It's been forever. Like in the sneaker world, sneakers come out every week, but releases like this, they do not. Oh, I love me some Ultra Boost. They are so freaking comfortable. I love black and white. I love shoes with words on them. I mean, they can't get any better. I can't wait to get these on my feet. Hold on, okay. So looking inside of these, they say undefeated, Adidas performance issue type, undefeated action capabilities, training program. I mean, even the attention to detail inside of the shoe. These things are just beautiful. They come with a second set of laces. I like the all black look, but I might actually switch it out for these. I mean, I think they'd go with, Yep, I think so. I might switch it out for those. If you can see on the tongue, if it doesn't come up, is it even still a tongue? I mean, the tongue, right? Yeah, the tongue. One says Adidas and one has like the undefeated logo. I mean, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. If you're familiar with Ultra Boost, it's that same boost technology, the same boost bottom. I wear these, not these specifically, obviously I just got these, but I wear Ultra Boost basically every single day. My feet after having children, which this might be TMI, but I'm gonna tell you, you guys, we're cool, right? We're like this. After having kids, my feet just can't rock with all kinds of shoes anymore. I don't know what it is, but Adidas Ultra Boost specifically are so freaking comfortable, and they're stylish, they look good, and these are just to die for, guys. These are beautiful. I love them. So yeah, did you guys get these or other shoes? Are there shoes that you think I should check out? I mean, keep in mind, again, I'm a mom, we got a family, you know, I don't have a ton of money, so don't go telling me to buy some $2,000 sneakers. But if there's some other shoes that you think I should check out, by all means, leave a comment. What do you think about these? Are these not like so freaking dope, right? These are insane. These are probably going straight to my feet today. I'm probably definitely going on my feet today. I can't even lie. These are straight to feet. These will not be sitting dead stock in the closet for a month at a time. I'm rocking these immediately. If you guys are not already, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. That way you can know when we have more content coming up. As always, I am Sharice with The Tech Couple. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.